Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your sales team with HubSpot detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current sales team's performance and structure. Identify key metrics such as conversion rates, lead response times, and overall sales figures. Set specific goals for scaling your sales team, keeping in mind your company's growth objectives. Evaluate your current sales processes and identify any bottlenecks or inefficiencies. Consider your ideal customer profile and ensure your sales strategy aligns with this. Begin by organizing your sales data within HubSpot to get a clear picture of your performance. Import existing contacts and leads into HubSpot to centralize your information. Use HubSpot's reporting tools to analyze trends and patterns in your sales data. Train your sales team on how to use HubSpot effectively, focusing on features that enhance productivity. Implement a lead scoring system within HubSpot to prioritize your most promising leads. Create sales automation workflows in HubSpot to streamline repetitive tasks. Utilize HubSpot's email tracking and notifications to help your team respond faster to leads. Encourage collaboration by using HubSpot's CRM tools for better communication among team members. Monitor and adjust your sales strategies based on real-time data from HubSpot. Leverage HubSpot's integration capabilities to connect with other tools and platforms your team uses. Regularly review your sales team's progress and adapt your goals as necessary. Foster a culture of continuous improvement and learning within your sales team. Provide ongoing training and resources to help your sales team stay updated on industry trends. Celebrate accomplishments and milestones to maintain team morale and motivation. Ensure that feedback is incorporated into your processes to refine your approach continually. Stay committed to improving your sales strategies as your team and business evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.